out here is Hurricane Milton, boy. Hurricane Milton. Thank you, brother. Oh, that wind picking up. I'm out of here. Yeah, we out of here. That wind gust was no joke, guys. It's fun riding this way, right? Yeah. They think I'm a creep. This wind is no joke. The fucking scooter can't even keep up. How's everybody doing? Thank you. Nice and settled so far. I live literally on Hollywood Beach. I'm literally 2 blocks away. And everything is calm. There's no rain. Just a little bit of wind here and there. Just knocked me off my bike a few minutes ago. Other than that, everything's pretty quiet. And literally, I'm right here on the intercoastal. I'm going to show you guys in a second here. Nice and calm. For literally being out here right next to the water, it's pretty nice and calm. I'll show you guys here how calm the water is. These rich people. And we're here, beautiful South Florida, Hollywood Beach. Hey, there goes Margaritaville. As you guys can see, let's see if we can get in here. We can. And trying to get bit. As you guys see, I'm sure no stepping on nothing over here. No snakes or something. It's nice and calm. That's Margaritaville right there. Tide is nice and high. and I believe it just touched about 20-30 minutes ago up north. Hollywood Beach, guys. We're not getting it as bad over here as a lot of people are up north, and we're praying for them. Praying for everybody up north, guys. Over here, Hollywood Beach, we're not getting much of anything so far. We'll keep you guys updated. To everybody up there up north, you guys are in my prayers. And again, this is Hollywood Beach right here in my backyard. That's my future house, guys. One day. Nice and calm, no rain at all. Hasn't rained in the last 3-4 hours maybe. You hear the wind picking up. All these boats are nicely docked up. Yeah, it's getting a little sketchy. Boat trying to come out. They're trying to rescue their boat. Hollywood Beach, guys. Hurricane Milton. We are out here, guys. Hollywood Beach. Just a little wind. Alright guys, till next time. We'll do an update in a couple hours. Just to let you guys know how everything is. These people here lost their boat or something. Hasta la vista, peoples.